Habaneros are also packed with vitamin C. So, got super healthy brother over here.
I'm Leif Arneson, and this is my brother Anders. We're on a mission to help 1 million vegans get into the best shape of their lives. Steaks and grass are gross, so even though we can't cook, we made a cooking show to prove how simple and healthy vegan food can be. Welcome to the Mediocre Vegan Kitchen.
You smell that?
You fart?
No. Spring is in the air, and when it is springtime, we have smoothie bowls.
Yes.
So that's what we're going to be making today. We are going to be making a superfood smoothie bowl. It's less expensive and also healthier than what you're going to get in most juice bars. So this is super healthy, super packed with nutrition, and we're super hungry, so we're going to make some. All right, so we're going to run through, and the recipe is very simple. We're going to talk a little bit about kind of the health benefits of each of these ingredients. Anders, you're going to be manning the blender, and here's your tool.
Oh, a mallet.
Good
grief. I did not mean it.
What was that for? That was really hard. All right.
I feel like
You have
police baton.
Yeah, you need to earn this right back. Dude.
Hold on. I'll sheath it.
Whatever. All right, so we're gonna go through
That's
and
the best sound effect ever. All right, continue.
we're gonna go through and we're going to make the smoothie. So, Anders, which ingredient do you want to put in first? Anders he's pretty good at making smoothie bowls because that's
I always
basically what
put
he
the
lives
banana
on.
in first because the blade has to spin before it hits the frozen stuff. So,
Yeah.
bananas.
So we're gonna put our bananas in here. I'll let you do the honors. So lots of people think that bananas are packed with potassium, and they do have a good bit of potassium, but actually acorn, squash, and kale have over double the amount of potassium as bananas do per calorie. So what bananas do have is they have a quarter of your vitamin B6 needs, which is really important for your metabolism and your brain health. So we got the bananas in there. What do you want next?
Frozen fruit.
Really?
Yes.
All right.
We'll put the liquid in, blend it up, and then add everything else into it.
All right. Well, he's the pro, so we're going to go with that. So Anders is just kind of careless in the kitchen. He doesn't care about science, and he just dumped everything right in.
Because I want to eat it.
But I do want to talk a little bit about what we just put in here. So we got mango, we have pineapple, we have blueberries, and we have strawberries. So the mango, pineapple, strawberries, they're packed with vitamin C. So that's really helpful for a healthy immune system. And they all are also packed with antioxidants. So antioxidants,
This is
yeah.
fantastic. Wheel of misfortune. Okay, that's better.
Yeah, that was amazing. All right, what do we get?
Jalapeno.
Reverse.
So I spin it now? What?
Oh, Anders, you spin it. Oh.
At least it's not arm wrestle.
Spin again. Kind of have weak little spins. Habanero.
That's the one that I didn't want to have.
Ooh. All right. We are going to pick our pepper for Anders. Let's see
It's
it.
just like a small bite or the whole thing.
It says habanero. I'm pretty sure it doesn't say small bite of habanero. You gotta eat that. Habaneros are also packed with vitamin C. So, got super healthy brother over here.
Oh, God.
All right. That is some misfortune.
I can't think straight. You go.
All right, so
I need to blow my nose. It's building. It's building.
all right, so we're gonna be adding some water to this.
Not too much.
Not too- So we're gonna blend it up a little bit.
Look at that consistency. Real good.
All right, so we got Honors a little bit of a frozen mango snack to.
I'm back a little bit. We need to take that off the wheel. That was really bad.
All right,
So let's proceed.
so we're gonna be adding some greens. Again, this is a superfood smoothie bowl, so it's meant to be super nutrient dense. Typically, smoothie bowls will mostly have fruit in them, and they'll generally kind of look like this. So we're gonna be adding this, and it's gonna turn the whole thing kind of greenish brown, but it's still gonna taste amazing. Greens don't really add much in terms of taste, but they add a bunch in terms of nutrition. So kale is perhaps the most nutrient-packed food on the planet. And when we're talking about superfoods, it's basically, we're just looking at how much nutrition per calorie that you have in your food. So it really comes down to nutrient density. That's what defines a superfood. So kale is pretty much at the top of the list. So is spinach. Kale actually per cup has all of your daily values, all of your daily needs for vitamin A, C, and K. So it's pretty packed with nutrition. A cup of it isn't that much. So Honors, you want to do the honors?
Oh, it's rock and roll. I like to get running and I just drop it in and it kind of takes it down like a little whirlpool. Yep.
All right, so now we'll put in the chia seeds, which are packed with omega-3s. They're one of the best sources of omega-3s in the plant food world. We got some lemon here, which is great for your skin health. All right, we got some protein powder. All right, so the next ingredient we're gonna be putting in is ginger, which has a lot of health properties. It's been used in kind of alternative medicine for a very long time, thousands of years, and it's really helpful for your health. It aids in digestion, it also reduces nausea, and it helps to fight the flu and the common cold. So
the very opposite of a habanero.
well, that might clear you out too. All right, so the next ingredient that we're going to be putting in is hemp seeds, which is loaded with magnesium and protein. There we go. All right, and the last ingredient is going to be turmeric. It's loaded with curcumin, which helps to fight inflammation. So there we go.
Try to say that word 4 times fast.
Inflammation, 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 inflammation.
No, the curcumin.
Curcumin, 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 curcumin. All right, so
Smells great.
as we've gone through and we've pulled this together, it's taken us a little bit of time to do that. Generally, when you make a smoothie bowl, you want to get kind of your frozen ingredients, throw it in with a little bit of water, and then really make sure that you have the right consistency and it stays really thick. So it's just taken us a while to do this, and all the frozen stuff has kind of melted. So now it's a little bit soupier. So we're gonna actually add some frozen mango back in to kind of give it a thicker consistency and more like a smoothie bowl. Just be sure that you go slowly when you're adding water so you don't get a ton of liquid in there and make it really soupy if you wanna have a smoothie bowl. Or if you just put in too much liquid, then you can just have a smoothie, and that works too. All right, so I said that turmeric was the last ingredient, but you can optionally add some green powder. So I've got Green Vibrance right here. It's the green powder that I typically use. It's just packed with some other nutrition. You know the way that you open these?
Yes.
Actually, your elbow works better, but oh man, I'm just breathing in nutritious air. All right, You can make smoothies whatever you want. You can add in some extra protein powder if you want to increase the protein content. You can add in some green powder if you want to increase the nutritional punch that you are consuming.
You ready?
Yeah. So we're gonna add a scoop of Green Vibrance. All right, so we now have the final product. Lots of people enjoy juicing, but the reason that smoothies are actually superior to juice is that you have all of the fiber in there, and fiber is bound to really crucial nutrients, and when you remove the fiber, you remove those nutrients. Fiber also helps you to feel fuller for longer, which helps you maintain a healthy body weight and lose body fat if that's your goal. So, let's get rolling.
So many great things. Summary. So, what we're going to do is we're both going to get a little bit of the smoothie, and we have all these ingredients over here. We're going to decorate, have 3 minutes to decorate, and you guys are going to vote to see who wins. And whoever wins gets a pie card, and this pie card means the other individual, well, they are able to pull a pie card on any episode whenever they want for the other person to get pied. So let's do this. Put a challenge sound.
Fight!
Divide the screen, you know? It's like
Yes, I
Mortal
know.
Kombat.
All right,
That'll do.
let the best man win. We got 3 minutes on the timer, and we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm so confident. I'm just going to wait.
What are you talking about? I don't even know what to do with these, but it'll be cool.
It was a lot of time.
All right. Cool. I don't even know what I'm gonna do, but hey. Oh wow! I need this. I'm gonna cut mine with a spoon. I'm taking all my ingredients. All right. I'm just going straight up smiley face.
Why are you telling me what your goal is?
Are you blind? I'm doing it right next to you. Obviously you can see it. Maybe add in some hair.
1.5 minutes.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Cool. Yeah, just leave it like that. Don't want to ruin it. I kind of already did, but good enough. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I'm good with it.
1. Beep. All right. Well, yeah. What is yours? You want to explain yours a little bit?
It's a kitten. Look at it. They get the 2 little ears, the two eyes, the pink nose, the whiskers, and then the mouth. What is yours? I'm very curious. That's a big nose.
Yes. All right. I don't know. As I was making it, I was like, this kind of looks like Albert Einstein. But I'm not even sure if he had a mustache. I think he did.
That's an insult to him. I'm glad he's still not alive to hear this.
All right, you got a cat and you have Albert Einstein. Which do you choose?
All right, so whoever you think has won this contest, comment below this video and we'll post the winner next week. Comment Einstein or comment Kitty. And we'll see.
Are those going to be our nicknames? Because I'm cool with that.
I don't know how I feel about you calling me Kitty.
So comment below, Einstein or Kitty.
I like the ginger in it.
Yeah, it's actually it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's like refreshing.
It's kind of like
Clears the palate.
if I catch this in my mouth, you have to like the video. Like the video.
So that's gonna be a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the Superfood Smoothie Bowl. And just be sure to always remember, keep your smoothie bowls thick. Super important. Nice and thick. Be sure to keep your food nutritious. And do not settle for being mediocre. Got a little like Shooter McGavin.
And do not ever consume a habanero.
I don't feel good.
All right. Oh, nice. We got some almond milk. How's that taste? Delicious.
I don't want to do that one again.